What's going on here? Take that! Missed me! Nice try, kittens.
Leo was ready to test his greatest invention yet, the fastest toy train in the living room.
All aboard! All aboard!
Leo had officially promoted himself to train engineer. Chaos was only one stop away.
Every great train needs its passengers, and Leo had the most excited one yet. Woo! Go, train, go!
The mighty train roared to life with Leo as its fearless engineer.
Choo-choo! Uh-oh. But every great adventure has one dangerous turn.
In that moment, time seemed to stand still. And just like that, dinner was officially derailed.
Mama's bowl.
Narrator, well, that's one way to serve dinner.
Oops. Again! Again!
And the cleanup turns into a chase.
Sorry.
Hold still, mister.
Best train crash ever! Round 2 begins. Where's it gone? The AIS time.
All aboard the Fruit Express.
Best crash ever. And that is how you crash a party!
Banana train! Good night, little paws. See you next time. Don't forget to come back.